Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to check the following history on Instagram. For this, first of all, what you need to do is open up your Instagram app on your phone or the website. Next, you need to log into your Instagram account using your credentials. Go to your profile shown in the bottom right corner right here. You will see following on the right side of the screen. So now, you need to tap on followings to see all the accounts you are following. You can also sort out all requests by date, earliest to latest. Tap any account and click on three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Look for the option See Shared Activity and tap to see your interaction with the account. It will also show you when you followed that account. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.